In this video, I will show how to create a redirect in Hostinger hosting account. So firstly guys, you need to sign in your Hostinger account. Then you have to click on this websites. Then click on manage on any website. So in third step in this left side panel, hover cursor to domains and click on redirect. A redirect is a way to send both users and search engines to a different URL from the one they originally requested. This uses a 301 redirect type. Not if you want your websites to use a square HTTPS protocol, you have to use the force SSL option under SSL in Edge panel. If you wish to redirect your domain to HTTPS connection, check this guide. Now here guys, you will see the setting. Now guys, you will see this setting to create a redirect. A redirect is a way to send both users and search engines to a different URL from the one they originally requested. This uses a 301 redirect type. So from here, select HTTPS or HTTP. Now select your website. Now you need to redirect like HTTPS. Now enter your domain address. Then click on create. So we can see redirect created successfully. So any user will reach to this domain name or this website, it will redirect to this particular website. I will show you example. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.